Jai Jagannath friends, hello, welcome to Tiklumanth Sir channel. So today we'll discuss about Odisha Police requirement, Sub Inspector and Constable post. Okay. Odisha Police recruitment advertisement number 78 by SBCC indicative advertisement for recruitment examination 2021 for recruitment of 244 post of constable. Okay, 244 constable post. Okay, 244 of Odisha Police Signal Service initially on contractual basis. Okay, then official web odishapolice.gov.in. Okay, odishapolice.gov.in official website. Okay, then constable for communication category wise vacancy position UR is 112, ST 67, SC 42, SCBC 23, total 244. Okay, eligibility is age in between 18 to 23 years. 18 to 23 years for constable. Okay, 18 to 23 years. Minimum educational qualification +2 examination or equivalent examination. You must have +2 examination, +2 exam or equivalent, +2 or equivalent exam. He passed +2 or equivalent exam for constable. Okay. Physical standard measurement height minimum 168 for SCBC men. Okay, for SCBC women 158, for women, for men 168, for ST or SC 163. Okay, 163, and for STSC women it is 153. Physical efficiency test 1.6 kilometer run in 7 minutes. Okay, in examination fee of Rs 220. Other than the candidate other than from ST and SC category shall pay examination fee of 220 by online mode as per as detail. Okay, except ST and SC, all other should pay examination fee 220. Okay, exam fee 220. Okay, except ST or SC. Okay, candidates are required to apply online mode only on the link to be provided in the detailed advertisement to be issued on 2021. The same shall also be available on the website www.odishapolice.gov.in. www.odishapolice.gov.in. This is the website. You can apply from there. Okay, total number of posts is 244. Okay, so this is the information about constable, and next the information about sub inspector of police, advertisement number 51 by 2021 by 1 by OFRB. Total number of post is 477 post for sub inspector. Okay, police in contractual basis in Odisha police. Okay, for contractual basis. Okay, for contractual basis. Eligibility 21 year to 25 year. You must have in between 21 to 25 years. Okay, in between 21 to 25 years. Number of post for sub inspector For SC it is 78. For ST 107, SCBC 53. You are 239. Total you have 477. Total you have 477. Mode of examination. Okay. English and Odia language 100 marks. There shall be 2 papers. Okay, there shall be 2 papers. Paper 1 100 mark. Paper 1 here 100 mark. Paper 1 100 mark and paper 2 is 200 mark. Paper 1 100 mark and paper 2 of 200 mark. Okay. Standard of measurement general SCBC. For male candidate 168 centimeter and weight is 55 kg. Okay. Likewise, general SCBC women candidate 155 for women candidate, 155 centimeter height. Okay. Then for STSC 163 for men. STSC 163 height cm for men, 163 cm for STSC. Okay. And for women it is 150. For women it is 150. Okay. Physical efficiency test running 1.6 kilometer in just 8 minutes. Okay, in just 8 minutes we have to cross 1.6 kilometer in 8 minutes. Okay. Examination fee other than STSC should pay 285 rupees. 285 rupees. Okay, 285 rupees. They are required to provided details. Apply online mode only on the link provided details. Advertisement to be issued. Website is odishapolice.gov.in. Okay, this is your official website. Go to the official website and you can apply for both the post as you wish. Okay, thank you for watching video.